Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix RTC connecting when you try to join a voice channel on your phone in Discord app. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. RTC problem often means a bad connection. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching to a different network like using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi and reopen Discord. After that, restart the Discord app, close the app completely, swipe off from the bottom of the screen, find Discord and swipe it away. Then reopen it and try joining the voice channel again. Still not working? Let's do a quick reboot. Hold the side button, select the power off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Now check Discord again. After that, update the Discord app. An outdated app can cause connection issue. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon at the top right and scroll down. If there is an update button next to Discord, tap it, and that's it. One of those simple steps should fix the RTC connecting issue on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.